Hi, my name is Chris Howell, and we are providing an overview of SMS Pro, and this is where um, we are discussing the dashboard. This is probably the third or fourth video in the SMS Pro overview, and we're talking about the CEO commitment to safety, and it's visible to everybody, and it's editable via the web interface in the Policies and Policy Manager. And an SMS admin has the ability to do that, to edit this. SMS Pro is based on roles, so depending on your role, you are going to be seeing different things. Safety goals and objectives is a way to communicate all of your goals and objectives to the organization. We have in this interface a way to add your goals and objectives, and we have this concept called goal groups. And for instance, 2009 objectives might be a goal group. That's so you have goals and objectives. So your employees, they can come in and they can look at your goals and objectives. We have auto track objectives, which are in this first piece underneath this first set of objectives, and then we have manually tracked objectives. Manually tracked objectives are objectives that we have no way of tracking in the database, but you can store your information, your custom objectives here, and then edit them as you need to update them. Alternatively, you can just rely on the uh, objectives that we provide that we can track out of the database. For instance, your issue reporting, issue management. Let's say how many days does it take to close your high-risk issues. The incident investigation, how many days does it take to start an investigation after an issue has been closed. And communication, this is how it talks about your safety meetings and how many employees you have or users and how many people are invited to the meetings, etc. And all this stuff is being able to be tracked through the database. This piece up here, these objectives are based on your last gap analysis that you've taken. To edit the goals and objectives, it's pretty simple. We have a way just to edit these goals. We can turn them on or off. There's some guidance on creating goals and objectives. By default, they're not visible until the management agrees. Then you can make them visible, and then they are available for view by all employees. Then we also have My Safety. We're back here at the main portion of the dashboard, and we see my reported issues, my assigned issues, my assigned corrective actions, my tasks, training and qualifications, and inspections and audits. So for my reported issues, I can see these are all the issues that have been reported by me and the progress, etc. If I want some more details, I can hover over the little information icon and see the description, the status, and any assigned or accepted corrective actions. We're only going to be listing the accepted corrective actions here because those are the ones that are important. If management doesn't accept them, they're not really that important, or they are not important to management. So that is something that we see a lot, is this little icon on the left, or excuse me, the right, and when you hover over it, it automatically opens up the information for the next issue. Assigned issues. These are the issues that are assigned to me. So if I am a department head, then I can be assigned issues, and I'm responsible for these issues. Again, if they have a little bell on them, we know that they're overdue. And we also see that they're overdue in the due date. Again, we recognize the little icon on the information icon on the right. We can hover over it and get more information about that. Assign corrective actions. In the issue manager, corrective actions are assigned and due dates. So I can